Good morning, dear students. Once again, I am here, Dinesh Chaurasia, with our online classes. So today I have chosen some questions from area chapter and basically based on area of circles. Okay. So with the help of the formula area of circle and circumference of circle, we will solve these 4-5 questions today. Then afterwards we will discuss about the volume chapter. Okay. So the first question I have written here is, find the radius and area of a circle whose circumference is given 132. See, the first and the second question I have written almost same. The only difference is here I have given circumference and in the second question I have given the area of the circle. So first of all, before I solve these questions, I would like to tell you the formula for, you all know, area of circle is pi r square and circumference will be 2 pi r. Okay, so these two formulas we have to use for this first and second question, even in the third question also for the same. So now we all know radius is equal to diameter upon 2 or diameter is equal to 2 into radius, we all know. Okay, so now the first question, find the radius and the area of the circle whose circumference is given. So whatever the quantity is given, we have to use that. Circumference is given, so we will write question number 1. Circumference C is given 132 centimeter. Circumference of the circle means what? 2 pi r is given. So we will write 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. So 2 means 2, pi means 22 by 7 and r means r we don't have, and 132 centimeter. So radius we have to find. So radius r is equal to 132 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22. So 11 2s are, 11 1s are and 11 2s are. So 2 6s are and 2 3s are. So that is radius is equal to 21 centimeter. If radius of the circle we have got, then we can see we have to find what? Radius and the area. So if radius we have, then we can find the area also. Area is equal to what? Pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into 21 into 21, as we have 21 square. So 7 3s are, and the answer will be 22 multiplied by 21 into 3. You will get the area of the circle in centimeter square. Please never forget to write the unit of the area or unit of perimeter or unit of volume, wherever it is asking. The unit is very important. Okay. This was the first question. Now, the second one. Second one is, in the same way, find the radius and circumference of the circle whose area is given. Now, what is given? Question number 2. Area is given 154 centimeter square. All these questions I have chosen is from your books. Okay. Now area is 154 centimeter square. As we all know, area of circle is pi r square is given 154. Pi means 22 by 7. R square means r square and 154. So r square is equal to 154 into 7 upon 22. So 22 7 ja. R square means 7 into 7. So r is equal to under root 7 into 7, that is 7 centimeter will be the radius. We have to find what? Radius and circumference. Now circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. So 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by r means 7. 7 7 cancel. So 44 centimeter will be what? The circumference, that is length of boundary of the circle. Let us see the third question. Question number 3. In third question, we have to find the area of shaded portion. In this first figure, the shaded portion I have shaded. Second one, this is the shaded portion. And a circle is drawn. Shaded portion is this much. Only given thing is radius. Radius is given 7 centimeter. Radius of the circle is given. So now, if this is 7 centimeter, what about this? this will be 14 centimeter. So side of the square is given. To find area of shaded portion, we will have to find the area of square minus area of circle. As we can see, area of square minus area of circle will be the area of the shaded portion. So area of square is side square, area of circle is pi r square. Okay, side is 14, so 14 square minus pi r square means 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 196 minus 7 cancel, 154, 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 5 4. 42 centimeter square is what? The area of the shaded portion. Wherever you require, please pause the video, take a screenshot and save the figure. Now the next one we have is, we can see a circular ring, and this is the shaded portion in the circular ring. Whenever you get these kind of figures, you have a small circle, you have a big circle. A small circle's radius is 1.5 and big one is 2.5 centimeter. So to find the area of shaded portion, we will write area of big circle minus area of small circle. So pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Pi will be common, so capital R square minus small r square will be the area of the shaded portion. So pi means 22 by 7. Capital R is 2.5 square and small r is 1.5 whole square. I hope you can solve it. So you'll get the area of the shaded portion. Okay, please solve it by yourself. And now the last question we have is, not the last question, last question for this video only. So the last question is, the radius of a circular wheel is 42 centimeter. Radius of circular wheel is given 42 centimeter. Find the distance traveled by it in 200 revolutions. Listen, whenever you have to find the distance covered by the wheel in given number of revolutions, first of all, what you will find? You will find the circumference of the circle. Okay, so if radius is given, please find the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle means the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. So circumference formula is 2 pi r, 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 42. 7 6 are 42. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 6. 264 centimeter is what? Circumference. And this is nothing but the distance covered by the wheel in one revolution. 264 centimeter. So distance covered by the wheel in what is given? 200 revolution. 200 revolutions. It will be 200 multiplied by 264 centimeter. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4 and 5, 0 centimeter. And if you have to convert in meter, so 528 meter is the distance covered by the wheel in 200 revolutions. Okay, thank you so much. See you soon.